In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Monday.com and set up your first workflow. To begin, open Monday.com and either create a new account or log in to your existing one. If you're signing up for the first time, just follow the prompts on screen and choose the option that fits your team or personal use. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Monday.com is designed to help you organize projects, tasks, and collaboration in one place. So everything you do from here will build the foundation for how you and your team work together. Next, create a workspace. A workspace is like a main area where related boards and projects live. So it's helpful to think of it as a container for a department, team, or major initiative. Give it a clear name that makes sense for the work you'll be managing. Keeping your workspace organized from the start will make it much easier to scale later. After that, add your first board. Boards are where the actual day-to-day work is tracked. You can start from scratch or choose a template if one matches your needs. Your board should reflect the type of work you want to manage, whether that's project planning, task tracking, content production, or team operations. The key is to choose a setup that feels simple and practical for your workflow. Once the board is created, begin adding groups, columns, and items. Groups help you separate work into sections, such as phases, categories, or time periods. Columns define the information you want to track, like status, deadlines, owners, or priority. Items are the individual tasks or entries that live on the board. As you build this out, try to keep your structure clean and intuitive so anyone looking at the board can understand it quickly. Next, invite team members who need access. Bringing in the right people early helps everyone stay aligned and makes collaboration much smoother. Depending on your setup, you can decide who should view, edit, or manage the board. If needed, you can also add extra views, dashboards, or automations. Views allow you to look at the same data in different ways. Dashboards give you a higher level overview, and automations can save time by handling repetitive actions automatically. These features are especially useful as your workflow becomes more active. Finally, start updating statuses and tracking work consistently. This is what keeps your board useful over time. Encourage regular updates, keep tasks current, and use the board as the central place for progress. With that, your Monday.com setup is ready to support organized, visible, and collaborative work.